Are you so excited to have me home? Oh, yeah. You've been awfully clingy this morning. Rivers, I gotta do work, buddy. Please let me do work. Please. So I've been looking around for the bunny, and turns out he's been up here just looking outside. What do you see out there? What do you see? What's out there? You just like looking outside? Who's over here? You saying hello? Or you want to look outside too? What's the bunny doing? Is he just looking outside? He's just entertained. Are you going back to bed? It's a bed day? Got a little surprise for everyone today. I'm at the airport. It's raining. Look who it is.
Back in the Tesla once again.
Back in the Tesla.
Like I never left. Also, I accidentally booked this flight for yesterday at 8 a.m. instead of today at 8 a.m. and completely missed it. Went to check in this morning. It was like, this flight's already happened. So I had to rebook the flight. And they were just, Spirit has like the least amount of sympathy because they're just a trash airline.
Yeah.
So they didn't care. It was wild. So I got $40 back. I'm really stoked. But I had the best time. And I'm so glad to be back in the Northeast. Where it's cold and rainy and miserable.
Yep.
Perfect. New York! Baltimore. Baltimore!
Rivers. Who's here for you? Who is it?
Hey.
Yeah, he's just gonna want to be all over you.
Hi. Come on, back up. Do you have the keys?
Godspeed.
Peace.
Godspeed. All right, jabronis. Got a little bit of an issue this morning. I'm finally taking my car, hopefully, to get its tire fixed because I drove about 1,000 miles on a leaky tire. All right, here we are, Tesla boys and girls at the Tesla store dealership. Whatever. Well, no good news. They can't plug up the hole in my tire because there's actually two holes, and the two holes are right next to each other, so it's hard to plug. So even if we were to plug one, the other one would still leak air, and you can't have two plugs on one tire. So, thanks, Elon Musk, and it's all my fault. Right here. That's the problem. And I got this little mark from over a year ago when I was doing something stupid. I was trying to find free power in an area, and I drove into this one spot, and boom, I got hit with a little nail thing stuck in the tire. But thankfully, it wasn't a problem until just now. It's been 1 year, and I've had this thing on my tire, and then all of a sudden now it's a problem. Now it's a sad, stupid Kenny problem. People were shredding some tires. We're spinning some tires. We're fast and furiousing this parking lot hardcore. Look at that. Why'd I get this stupid car? How you doing?
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Que tenga aguare. Este no tiene mucho.
I saw it on the side. I'm like, this is so cool. I've never seen that before.
Is that for favor?
No, it's just I make
Hey,
I make stupid videos on YouTube, so it's nothing that interesting. Ooh, that's great. That's very good. It's just coconut. I acted like an absolute idiot trying to get this thing. What a stupid day. Those people probably thought I was the biggest idiot asking for a coconut drink like this. But sometimes in life, you have to walk around being the biggest clown and idiot possible. And those people are probably going to remember me and have a story about me for the rest of their lives. So like, there's that dumb idiot white boy that came up to us at a gas station and bought a coconut from us. I take pride in being that big dumb idiot, and even more pride in putting these adventures on the internet for everyone to see and laugh at. Enjoy my stupid adventures.
So,
You want the little butt plugs? Oh no, you got them. Little butthole.
Yep.
Just pop it in?
Yep.
Pop it in like magic. Doesn't stay in though.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, okay.
That's good.
Look at this manpower. I haven't changed a tire since maybe sometime in college. Tires off, baby.
And how many miles have you put on this thing?
30, almost 31,000.
Yeah, roll this guy.
I'll tell you where it is. Right here. You can barely see it. That's the troublemaker right there.
Do you think it's just going to start bubbling?
Yeah, just pour like a little bit. And you're going to look for the air. See?
Oh, wow. Look at that. Yeah, like that.
Are we positive? Are we sure this is not going to like mess it up? So I know you stab it. And then you use this other plug with this black stuff. And then you jam that black stuff in there.
Jamming it in there.
He's
Look at that. And he's like almost like sanding the hole
Yep. And then you use the other guy.
to jam the.
But you don't twist. You
You
just
just push it.
push it in and then pull it
Take rubber
out.
Cement. You got this.
Not a matter of if I got this or not.
There you go. Is it all the way in yet?
No.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Okay. You're good. You're doing great.
Should I do both sides?
Sure.
You don't even know. You're just saying yes.
Yeah.
See, you're not as nervous because it's not your
You
tire.
always work on somebody else's car. That's the rule.
I'm not supposed to twist.
All right. Feels like it's in there?
Yeah, it's as far as it'll go. So now
You
just
just yank.
ready?
1, 2,
Two,
3.
three.
Yeah!
Look at that. I destroyed my tire.
You did not destroy your tire.
I destroyed it. Tires aren't supposed to have this stuff sticking out of it.
Looks like there's like a little piece of metal that you got out from that hole.
There was?
Yeah, look, this little piece here. Make sure we tell your viewers that putting 2 plugs right next to each other like this is not recommended.
Well, oh, I got it. 1. And then what?
The road will fix that.
Should I like gunk it up with some more rubber cement?
Look.
I massacred my poor boy. There's another Tesla.
Yeah.
How many Teslas you got on the street?
There is at least like 8.
Jesus. Reichenbach not only has 2 Teslas, but solar charging.
4,300. That's the equivalent of when you're charging at your house. 4.3 kilowatts.
Yeah.
We're charging you at like 7 kilowatts.
No, it's 8.
8, 10.
10.
Look.
10. Oh my God. 10 kilowatts.
It's fluctuating between 9 and 10 based on the voltage.
Nerd talk. They said it shouldn't be done. You shouldn't plug 2 holes that are right next to each other in one tire. But I'm about to push that to the limit.
That's okay. It's better than nothing.
Yeah. It's
Perfect. You on there?
Yep.
I like that. Yep. Just so the wheel touches. So
Oh, I dropped the drill.
It's okay.
No, it's not. You said don't drop the drill.
No, the torque wrench. Twist. There he goes. There we
Okay.
go. So now the wheel's touching the ground, but I still have weights.
Yes.
So
Don't
now you're going to go to each one.
drop this.
Yeah. So that's called a torque wrench. Loosen for you now. There it is.
Yeah, no joke. No joke. Dangerously low. Pull over safely. Check flat tire. What's it gonna do? Blow up?
So I got a notification.
Oh, it's saying like you're getting too much juice in this puppy. This thing is about to explode right now, and then Elon Musk is gonna come over to Reichenbach's house and beat him up, from what I heard.
If it detects too high of a temperature there, it derates itself on purpose. Because I need to take this all apart and verify the connections because it shouldn't be getting that hot.
Heat and electricity, no good. We're gonna start a fire up in here. I'm very nervous right now, Reichenbach. I'm gonna drive away and the tire's gonna explode. We're driving. So long, thanks, Reichenbach. My what? He said, let him know when I get home safe, as in I'm, there's a question mark there. Let me know when you get home safe? Just documenting the adventure home. Well, I made it home safe and sound so far. But who knows what tomorrow's gonna bring. I didn't blow up yet, but the day is still young. PSI still good. I mean, it's 1 down, but whatever. I'm exhausted at this point. I'm getting too old for this stuff. And scene.